Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sicko, and as you can see on the weekends here, we had an idea, okay, type of trade. This is Bitcoin with the US dollar, right? I had some trade which I really want to do a recap on. That said, let's just get straight into it, okay? I'm going to explain everything. Overall, this is the daily time frame. You can clearly see how we pushed it down. We never actually took this low out. Have a supply area right here, like nothing like pretty much else. 4 hour time frame, this is how this thing looks like. Okay, we had some refined supply areas right here and there, here too. Let's go even lower than this, just like that. All right, this is the 1 hour time frame. So here I have marked up some supply areas on the higher time frame. Okay, this whole thing right here, I can easily get this, and this whole thing will be a supply area. I'm just gonna have it at the start. I don't know, I think it was a 30-minute time frame, I don't know. Yeah, overall we did manage to get the mitigation right here. As you can see, after that we really did manage to continue to push lower right here. That said, I saw that we started to, I have a liquidity like here, for example, here, and I saw this as a inducement trade. Okay, this is a great POI. It's not the extreme, like none of that. As you can see, it's a wick that was never mitigated. On the lower time frame, you can clearly see that it was just a candle. Yeah, this 10-minute time frame, and as you can see, beautiful demand area, just like that. That was never mitigated. So as you see here, we saw that first mitigation. It absolutely even took out this liquidity. Also here too. So we're going to change it up to X. Actually, this liquidity was grabbed. It will not be wrong if you entered at the open, but just the risk would have not be that great as you see here on the 50%. It's going to, as you see here, well, this was a target that we basically targeted right here, that low. This could have been a great trade. As you can see, we got there right, we got there correct, and it could have been only 1 to 3. But here I waited for the 50%. If we broke through the low before we reached that 50%, I would have just deleted the limiters and stuff like that. As you can see, 1 to 7.27 RR, which is a pretty great investment. This was only 0.25% on that trade. We could have easily even targeted these lows. Okay, if we just did that, like we could have partial out right around what 1 to 12 RR. But yeah, like I was just very good with this 1.72, 1.7.227 RR. So yeah, I'm pretty great with that. And also, I still believe that here we have some zones that need to get like mitigated. Right here, for example, this was not mitigated. So yeah, like I think that this may just continue to push to the downside from here after we reach this certain point. Okay, this under, like, let me just go a little bit right here. So as you can see, we did manage to have a mitigation right here. If you don't know what's mitigation, I just forgot to say that, but I just made a video about it, what's mitigation, or I have a ton of educational content on in my description. It's on my channel, okay? It's in a place, but you can find it in the second link of the description. Just go ahead, you will see that. Also, I'm explaining Wyckoff and all of that stuff, everything for free. And I also have a Discord. So yeah, that said, let me know what are your thoughts about this trade. Let me just go to the 50-minute time frame. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.